Aries, what is the overall message for the month of August 2020? That is what I am intending to work with, right? So, what is it for the month of 2020, Aries people? What is the overall message for Aries, sun sign and moon sign? What is the energies that they want to show us related to Aries? Which is it? Cool. This I feel is an advice. This I feel as an advice. Acceptance. एरीज मतलब मेष राशि होता है. So sun sign or moon sign, Aries, this month is a message for you to accept the way you are. And the reason that I'm feeling that with this card is maybe you're not looking what you are. You're trying to cover yourself with beauty. The another message that that I'm feeling is accept your beauty the way you are. If some of you are not feeling they are beautiful, you need to know that you are beautiful. You're not looking, your eyes are closed. You are beautiful. That is what you need to accept as the way you are. Aries. Any other message? Okay. For Aries, there is another message is that you already know. The message for Aries is you already know. Why? Because there are certain things that you are thinking of, pondering about, that you're thinking of and pondering about. आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस है या आप कुछ सोच रहे हो, कोई डिसीजन बनाना है, बट यू ऑलरेडी नो इट. मतलब you are alert already. That is the message for the month of August. So don't look away, just be sure that you are aware. You know what you need to know. Let's see what can we expect financially for Aries. Now finance सिर्फ finance नहीं होता है. Finance is not only about finance. Finance is also about whatever you have in your life. That is, you have a shelter, you have a home, you have a family, you have answers, you have water. So whatever things that you are requiring, whatever things that you need is easily accessible to you, including the solution. And that is what is finance also sometimes come up with that. So sometimes finance को उस तरह से भी सोचा जाता है, उसको भी फाइनेंस बोलते हैं कभी कभी. So show me what can Aries, that is Mesh Rashi, expect in regards to finances in the month of August 2020. आपका worries तो ज़्यादा है, आपका सोच ज़्यादा है. You may feel that whatever you have done has been a waste of time. You're not feeling like success, though you are completely uh, completely obsessed about finances. You are obsessed, you are worried, you are concerned about finances, uh, but your main thing that is being affected in your finance areas is your love life. I don't know why. You're looking back at something. Show me the finances. I don't see much finances, but there must be a positive sign to it. You should learn from the past mistakes. जो भी past में हुआ है, उससे आप learn करें. जो past में mistakes हुआ है, which has caused you losses, learn from it. That is the month of August that is telling you. Maybe you are away from family and you are thinking about family. What is it that Aries people should do to make their finances better? Show me. What is it that they can do to make their finances better? Aries क्या कर सकते हैं जिससे इनके फाइनेंस अच्छे हो जाए, better हो जाए in the month of August 2020? I think you should not worry about मतलब एकदम anxiety prone नहीं होना चाहिए Aries people को. You might be feeling very emotional, or you might be feeling like बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं है, या you feel a bit helpless in regards to finance. But what you need to do is know your weak points, and when you know your weak points, you will grow financially. When you know your weak points, you will grow financially. जब आप अपने आप से क्लियरली बात करेंगे कि पिछले वक्त में क्या मिस्टेक्स हुए हैं, कौन से मिस्टेक्स के से क्या लर्न किया है, कुछ पास्ट में जो भी चीज़ें हुई है जिसको आपको लगा है कि ये टाइम वेस्ट हुआ है, या इट हैज़ बिन अ वेरी डिफिक मतलब वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है, कंप्लीटली नॉट हैपनिंग है, इट्स नॉट अ सक्सेस, ऐसा फीलिंग जो भी है, उन सब चीज़ों को आपको नोट डाउन करना है. यू हैव टू गो बैक टू द पास्ट, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट क्रिएटेड दिस, नो दैट कौन सी चीज़ें आपको हेल्पलेस फील कराती है इन रिगार्ड्स टू फाइनेंसेस. Note that down and learn from it. That itself will help you to grow. Plus, do not forget the message, that is, remember the message that you have got for the month of August. You already know. Accept your beauty, accept your fullness, accept yourself and something that you already know within yourself. Usko accept karo. That is the overall theme for Aries, okay? So finance में हमको पता चला है कि क्या करना है. We have got to know how do we work with the finances, all right? So now what do we do? Go for? What do we go for? What do we go for? Career. अभी जो आप कर रहे हैं, whatever you're doing right now, how can you make it better? You are feeling loss of money and away from family. Um, you're feeling the loss of money away from the family. Yes, you are angry on family also, probably. Most likely you are angry also, but you are quite capable of being on your own. You are quite capable of working it out on your own. आप में capability है कि independence रह सको. Now, what I was asking is that अभी जो आप कर रहे हो, उसमें आपको अच्छा फायदा हो, उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं जिस वजह से आप जो ऑलरेडी कर रहे हो, Aries people, whatever you're doing, Aries people, how can you benefit? All right, I do feel that whatever you're doing right now, you're not feeling fulfilled, but what you need to do is what you need to do is drop something that's not working for you. Drop something that's not working for you. Even if it means for you to save only 10 bucks, 100 bucks, 500 bucks, only that much amount. If it is meaning for you to save, save, start saving. Also start coming out from a place of low frequency energy about my money. मतलब मेरे पास enough नहीं है, I don't have enough, and all that story that you're giving to yourself, which becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Work on that bit by bit. You might have felt unfairly treated before. Drop that. Whatever that has happened, happened. How do you work with it? Is bit by bit. Save your money. You are a magician. You are a creator. What is it that they can do that will make their life better as per their career? What is it that they can do, Aries people, in the month of August that will make their career better? What is it that you can do that will make your career better? Don't try to control too much. I think you are feeling out of control this month. You're feeling out of control this month. You're not feeling connected to your goals this month. You're trying that you want to move on, and you're trying your best to be in touch with the success that you want to have. You're trying a lot about something that you have not moved on. But what you can do better in your career is keep your boundaries, get your boundaries. If you are out of control, you feel you're not in balance and in charge within yourself, keep your boundaries with people. Keep your boundaries with people. That is what I'm getting the message loud and clear. Yes, that would turn things upside down. Definitely. Yes, definitely keep your boundaries in a healthy way. I'm not saying to shout and let them go. I'm not saying all that stuff. Be assertive and keep your boundaries. You don't even need to justify certain things. You just keep your boundaries. Now let us go further. What is it that they can, that is Aries people can expect in their love life for August 2020? Aries people, what they can expect for love life in August 2020? Show me. What can they expect in the area of love life in August 2020? Wow, this had fallen down. What can they expect in August 2020? I think you are ending something, ending a relationship before, and you're moving on ahead. You would have to end something which is not working out for you. Uh, Try not to entertain people who damage your confidence, who make you feel codependent about money, or make you feel that either you owe them something, like you spend a lot on them, or they have to spend a lot on you, something around that. But you need to let go of people in your love life which are who are not helping you to feel confident in yourself. So let go of them. What is it that they can do the best to make their love life better in coming future? What is it that Aries people can do that will make their love life better in the coming future? What is it that Aries people can do right now in the month of August that will make their love life better in coming future? What is it that they can do? I think you need to cut off people who are codependent on you financially. So what you need to do is that when you need to spend a lot on somebody, especially when you are working on having a life partner or having a love partner, avoid or disconnect or uh, try to be diplomatic with people who bring in their codependency of finances on you. So don't take those responsibilities of finances on you, neither you give them that. The main thing that strongly I feel is that should not entertain, or I would rather say you need to be diplomatic with those people who try to have you, who try to be dependent on you financially. That is, but don't try to be not single at any cost. Like sometimes what happens is some people are very eager to be in a relationship for which they would be okay with just not being single is the criteria. So don't go with that criteria. That is also what I got, and this is a second story. Just because you don't like to be single, don't get into a relationship just for the sake of it because you want to have a partner. No. What is it that they what is it that they can expect in their love life when they act on this? A new beginning for sure. What is it that they can expect something better when they follow this? That is, diplomatically do not entertain codependent, financially codependent people. What is it that they can expect if they really follow this advice of tarot? Hmm. You might not feel at ease about it. That is what I'm getting. You might not feel at ease about it. You might feel that you are in competition with people who are not your type. You may not even feel like working together with people. But then, how is it beneficial for them? That is for Aries people. How is it that is beneficial? I think you will be cutting off people who are not, cutting off people and relationships which are not balanced and not working. So, this is the benefit I'm feeling now. Suddenly it clicked to me that possibly when you do that, cut off the people diplomatically who are trying to be codependent on you, you might appear to be a bit arrogant or nasty headed, but at the same time it would help you not to work with an imbalanced situation which is not workable in a mutual sense. So that's a good thing. Confirm if it is something that I'm getting it as a right information. Hmm. Do not take a leap of faith. I don't think so. Right now, you are going to, it's an advisable thing to take a leap of faith. Okay. I think you're not able to move on from previous relationship. Maybe you are trying to justify it's okay to financially be codependent. Why? What does it matter if, in case I take care of them a bit more, that would make you imbalanced in terms of working with others? There is a possibility of that, and it will not help you to move on from the past. It may not be easy for you to move on from the past, What is it that can help them move on from the past? Please help us with that. Wow. What is it that would help them move on from the past? What is it that can help Aries people to move on from the past? Okay. To have a short-term new lover who doesn't play games. To have a short-term a new lover or new connection. It can be a lover or a connection, maybe friendships, which are genuine and passionate, which are a mutual bond, spiritual bond, which has no game playing requirement. So for a time being, you need to maybe, I won't say travel as of now because of the situation currently, but I would definitely say have a passionate connection. It may be physical connection or passionate conversation connection. It doesn't have to be always physical, but it can be. So that would help Aries people to overcome the past where there is no game playing required. There should be no game playing required for that connection or bond. And know that this bond is very wonderful bond, which is a deep bond, but it would be an in and out bond. It can be a temporary bond. It can be passionate and life enhancing and happening connection. It can be friendship, it can be relationship, it can be anything. But I think first things that you need to do is this. Now, how do we complete this? Okay, what is the advice for Aries? I think advice for Aries for this month is not to take any decisions. Not to take any decisions. Or take a decision, cut it off. But what I'm feeling is not to take any decisions. I'm also feeling the advice for you is also save your money, don't spend it. That is another advice that I got for Aries in this month. Because it was not specifically for love or it wasn't specific for career or anything. We just asked for a basic advice for this month for Aries people. Avoid spending money. Save your money and you will feel abundant. Be single. Block getting involved in relationship. Work on your independence. Block people whoever is trying to interfere or trying to be codependent with you of for your independence life, for your growth, independent growth. So that is the advice for Aries. I hope this reading has helped you. We will meet some next time for some other topic, probably if I'm trying out some particular spread, and if I find something good and important, I will work with Aries. Till then, for the August month, I hope it has helped you. Bye guys, thank you so much for being here, and connect to me on my Instagram ID, Me Tarotier. That is my Instagram ID. Bye.